Hello, and welcome to the course. This is Blockchain Development for Beginners, and we are all very excited that you have decided to take this leap into blockchain development. So a quick introduction about myself. I am Daniel Wise. I have a background in game and web development, but I have recently just transitioned into blockchain development. I have experience coding in JavaScript and Solidity, and I am also a blockchain tech and cryptocurrency enthusiast. I also am a decentralized application evangelist.
Hello everyone, my name is Sriharsha Bingi. I'm a blockchain developer. So my background is in blockchain development, data science, and big data. I'm a smart contract developer, a decentralized application developer too, a passionate trader, a cryptocurrency fanatic, and you can have a look at my portfolio through this link below. So, what is the course outline? In this course, we'll be knowing how to create a simple blockchain using JavaScript, how to create a Genesis block, etc. We'll be creating Solidity smart contracts. We'll be using MetaMask extension, Solidity to create the ERC20 tokens or any other token generations. We'll be creating and deploying our first smart contract. We'll be adding some of the designs to our front end at the end of creating all decentralized application. So, the requirements for this course are you need to be having a basic understanding of how programming works, basic to intermediate programming knowledge, a basic understanding of languages like JavaScript, which is preferable, some HTML, CSS, and PHP knowledge, and experience using various tools to write and test code. So the tools we'll be using here are any simple text editor, the reliable internet connection, which is mandatory, Chrome browser for the extensions which we are going to use to create a decentralized application, a Git bash, or a terminal which is in Mac.
So what can you exactly get out of this course, you might be asking yourself? Well, first off, you can learn what the blockchain exactly is, and really start diving into your education on the blockchain. You also learn how it is changing and shaping the technical world around you today. You will also become familiar with various blockchain and crypto terminologies. You will have a hands-on way of learning about how the blockchain works and how it functions through coding. You will also discover the Solidity programming language, various new coding libraries, and also tools used for creating blockchain applications. You will learn how to conduct cryptocurrency token generation, and you will also get started creating your very own decentralized app by creating and deploying your very own smart contract, and it will all be from scratch. You will also then interact with your live smart contract on the blockchain, and then you will design a front end to make your decentralized app look really awesome. So let's get started in the rapidly changing world of blockchain tech with this course right here.